WasteWhale Intelligent Unmanned Sanitation Boat is a high-efficiency, large unmanned cleaning boat specially designed for water surface garbage collection. It uses the latest unmanned surface system with an integrated sensing solution combining millimeter wave radar, LiDAR, and cameras. It can quickly identify floating garbage on the water's surface and carry out autonomous collection to achieve fully unmanned operations. It is equipped with a newly upgraded 6 degree of freedom robotic arm. Storage and transportation dimensions are 4.95 meters long and 2.36 meters wide. The extension arm can automatically open when working, and the cleaning width is up to 15 meters. A 20-meter wide river can be cleaned completely in a single pass. It can clean 40 acres of water, saving 12 of 14 workers' worth of labor per hour. WasteWhale Intelligent Unmanned Sanitation Boat is the first to feature both autonomous and manual control modes, making it a highly practical product. The newly upgraded 6 degree of freedom robotic arm can autonomously adapt to different shoreline challenges, including vertical shores, sloped shores, and ecological shore. WasteWhale can clean a wide variety of waterborne waste, including fallen leaves, cyanobacteria, floating mud, and oil stains, effectively solving various pollution issues. It can also operate 24/7. The daily jurisdictional cleaning area can exceed 33.35 hectares with a single garbage carrying capacity of 500 kilograms. When the battery is low or the garbage container is full, it will automatically return to the charging dock. The waste basket can be automatically lifted and unloaded. WasteWhale can clean anything on the water, ushering in a new era of high-efficiency water surface cleaning.